Hello creators, welcome back to our channel Fadu India. From small businesses to major companies, influencers are now a key tool for brands and agencies to spread the word about their products. The new approach is shaking up traditional marketing methods, and that's what we are covering in today's video. That is how influencer marketing transforms brands or how it helps the brands to grow. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Influencer marketing isn't just a trend, it's a strategic approach that leverages the trust and authenticity of influencers to connect with audiences. It's all about tapping into their loyal follower base and creating genuine stories or content that resonates. I don't think many know this, but 71% of marketers say that quality of the customers or traffic from influencer marketing is better than other sources. And the reason why influencer marketing is necessary, well, let's be honest. We all know many people don't really trust brands or ads, okay. But if they are following somebody that they really trust, they would listen to them. They will check the products of this specific influencers who's talking about a specific product because they simply trust them. And if the brands get to choose the right influencer, that could really impact their overall success of the product or campaign. Influencers help in humanizing brands. Content creators help brands connect the right audience through their authentic content, which also helps the audience to build trust towards the product or brand. Their authentic voice is what speaks directly to the target demographics in ways traditional advertising simply cannot. Whether it's through unboxing videos, product reviews, or day in the life vlogs, influencers bring a personal touch that resonates with consumers seeking genuine connections. Their reviews toward products is what helps the followers put a high level of trust in them, which simply leads to loyal customers to the brand. If you want to increase your audience, then the influencers with high number of followers can be helpful. But if it's for highly targeted marketing campaigns, then finding influencers of your niche audience will help you do that. For example, if your brand is related to fashion, then you can partner with Komal Pandey, who's renowned for her unique and daring fashion choices, to promote your product. Identifying the right influencers of your niche will help you promote your brand because most of their audience is interested in those products, which essentially is the better target for your brand. Honest reviews from the influencers matter for your product success. Many companies even create brand ambassadors who have high social media presence. They are the people who uses that product all the time and talk about how much they use it with targeted audience. As we wrap up today's exploration, it's clear that influencer marketing isn't just a buzzword. It's a game changer for brands looking to make meaningful connections in a crowded marketplace. Remember, the key lies in authenticity, relevance, and meaningful partnerships. So, whether you are a startup or an established brand, harness the power of influencers to elevate your marketing strategy and leave a lasting impact. That is it with today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Until next time, stay influentially connected.